Big changes are here for HR professionals in the UAE. The June 2026 Labour Law update is live, and it's reshaping how every employer manages compliance. From WPS expansion to new contract alignment rules, health insurance tracking, and job title audits, this update affects every HR department, every business, and every employee. At Evolved HR, we've simplified it all for you. Get the HR Manager's Toolkit Plus certificate course, fully aligned with Mohri Soul, templates, checklists, and compliance guides all in one place. Worth AED 1,499, now available for just AED 49. Because compliance shouldn't be complicated, it should be accessible. Stay compliant, stay confident. Click the link or chat with us on WhatsApp Enroll now at evolvedar.org and lead the change in UAE HR.